confidence and supply opposition. The Riksdag or Sveriges Riksdag is the national legislature and the supreme decision-making body of Sweden. Since 1971, the Riksdag has been a unicameral legislature with 349 members, elected proportionally and serving from 1994 onwards on fixed four-year terms. The constitutional functions of the Riksdag are enumerated in the Instrument of Government, and its internal workings are specified in greater detail in the Riksdag Act. The seat of the Riksdag is at Parliament House, on the island of Helgeandsholmen in the central parts of Stockholm. The Riksdag has its institutional roots in the feudal Riksdag of the Estates, by tradition thought to have first assembled in Arboga in 1435. And in 1866, following reforms of the 1809 Instrument of Government, that body was transformed into a bicameral legislature with an upper chamber and a lower chamber. The most recent general election was held on the 9th of September 2018. Due to the 2020 coronavirus outbreak, the number of MPs participating in votes was temporarily lowered from 349 to 55 for a renewable period of 2 weeks starting the 16th of March 2020. The Swedish word Riksdag, in definite form Riksdagen, is a general term for parliament or assembly, but it is typically only used for Sweden's legislature and certain related institutions. In addition to Sweden's parliament, it is also used for the Parliament of Finland and the Estonian Riigikogu, as well as the historical German Reichstag and the Danish Riksdagen. In Swedish use, Riksdagen is usually uncapitalized. Riksdag derives from the genitive of Reich, referring to royal power, and Dag, meaning diet or conference. The German word Reichstag and the Danish Riksdag are cognate. The Oxford English Dictionary traces English use of the term Riksdag in reference to the Swedish assembly back to 1855. The roots of the modern Riksdag can be found in a 1435 meeting in the city of Arboga. However, only 3 of the estates were probably present: the nobility, the clergy and the burghers. This informal organization was modified in 1527 by the first modern Swedish king Gustav I Vasa to include representatives from all the 4 social estates: the nobility, the clergy, the burghers, and the yeomanry. This form of standesta representation lasted until 1866, when representation by estate was abolished and the modern bicameral parliament established. Effectively, however, it did not become a parliament in the modern sense until parliamentary principles were established in the political system in Sweden. In 1917, on the 22nd of June 1866, the Riksdag decided to reconstitute itself as a bicameral legislature, consisting of Första kammaren or the first chamber, with 155 members, and Andra kammaren or the second chamber with 233 members. The first chamber was indirectly elected by county and city councillors, while the second chamber was directly elected by universal suffrage. This reform was a result of great malcontent with the old estates, which, following the changes brought by the beginnings of the Industrial Revolution, was no longer able to provide representation for large segments of the population. By an amendment to the 1809 Instrument of Government, the general election of 1970 was the first to a unicameral assembly with 350 seats. The following general election to the unicameral Riksdag in 1973 only gave the government the support of 175 members, while the opposition could mobilize an equal force of 175 members. In a number of cases a tied vote ensued, and the final decision had to be determined by lot. To avoid any recurrence of this unstable situation, the number of seats in the Riksdag was reduced to 349. From 1976 onwards, the Riksdag performs the normal functions of a legislature in a parliamentary democracy. It enacts laws, amends the constitution and appoints a government. In most parliamentary democracies, the head of state commissions a politician to form a government. Under the new Instrument of Government enacted in 1974, that task was removed from the monarch of Sweden and given to the Speaker of the Riksdag. To make changes to the constitution under the new Instrument of Government, Amendments must be approved twice, in 2 successive electoral periods with a regular general election held in between. There are 15 parliamentary committees in the Riksdag. As of March 2020, 165. The party with the lowest share of female MPs is the Sweden Democrats. Members of the Riksdag are full-time legislators with a salary of 66,900 Swedish kronor per month. According to a survey investigation by the sociologist Jenny Hansen, members of the Riksdag have an average work week of 66 hours, including side responsibilities. Hansen's investigation further reports that the average member sleeps 6.5 hours per night. The Presidium consists of a speaker and 3 deputy speakers. They are elected for a 4-year term, after holding talks with leaders of the various party groups in the Riksdag. The Speaker of the Riksdag,